This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Coinbase. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Assets tab. Once logged in, find and click on the Assets tab on the dashboard to view your cryptocurrency holdings. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency for payout. Choose a specific cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw by clicking on it. This will take you to the details page for the asset. Step 4. Click on Withdraw or Send. On the Asset Details page, look for the Withdraw or Send button. Click on it to begin the payout process. Step 5. Enter withdrawal details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your payout request will be processed. Make sure to check your email for any confirmations or updates regarding your transaction.